As the temperature goes up, my appetite goes way down. But I still have to eat.
It's hard for some people to accept, but I am not a robot.
What's a person to do when they just can't decide whether they want a sandwich or a salad or a salad or a sandwich? What do? You put the salad on the sandwich, you waffling son of a bitch or bitch. Or maybe you just don't want to humiliate yourself by just ordering a salad at a restaurant. Salad on the sandwich is kind of a buffer from harsh ridicule. You're ordering just a salad? Loser. This is pretty dang simple, but more importantly, it's modular. Meaning you can plug in about any ingredient you want. It's like going to a salad bar and running all your items through a Cuisinart.
It's the closest I'll ever get to race car driving.
This is a good plan of action for cleaning out some items in your odds and ends jarred condiment refrigerator door rail. I think this hot cauliflower is 2 years old. I've had some real top-notch food poisoning all-stars in that feared realm. Usually I think most normal people all strive to get rid of most pickled items and relishes in a year. I've gone batshit crazy with dressings before. One time I had a bottle of Thousand Island dressing for about 5 years. I could have swore I bought that bottle about 2 weeks ago. Oh God, do you realize what you just ate? Pour this on your salad and pay the biggest sacrifice for having a salad. Your life. Or at least hospital bills. Mayonnaise will stay refrigerator shelf stable for a quarter century. This sour cream was a week out from its use-by date, and it somehow contracted pink eye. You could put ranch powder on a bicycle tire and it would taste awesome. God, I'm always a sucker for dollar deals on bad bread. I've decided I want a Greek salad on this sandwich. You could add feta cheese to this if you wanted to, but I'm just too damn cheap. Check out this high quality pile of manure in my next door neighbor's yard. It's awesome. Fresh. I can't believe I'm dining with a salad eater. I know I'm a member of a table of 4, but is there any way I could possibly become a table of 1? There are 2 competing ways to cut your sandwich before stuffing. The hollow out versus the big wide V. In this baguette, I thought the wide V won because the baguette was so dense, I couldn't hollow out a lot without wrecking the baguette. If I had a softer French loaf, I could hollow out enough to double stuff. And everybody loves stuff that's double stuffed. Enjoy your damn salad on a sandwich, you wishy-washy wasteoid.